What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be drawing Itachi drip. So kind of trendy clothes. Fan art by Angoriseco. Full credit to that person for drawing this. We're going to give it a go. But I thought this was the coolest looking one. So landscape page, use a pencil and eraser and hit pause if I go too fast. So let's go. Center point of my page about here. Come up over to the right, and we'll start with this top eyelid. So we go diagonal first, and then we will bring it across, and then we go diagonal down, and then it goes in back towards the tear duct, right? We gotta thicken up this line. And Itachi usually has like some like eyelashes sticking off sort of the side here. Not sure how much, but there's two anyway that I can see. So his hair covers some of this, so don't worry too much about it. Then his iris, so big, red, Sharingan iris, curving around like so. And then his pupil, it's kind of small, just more or less in the center there. Then we got Sharingan, just standard sort of Sharingan there. We'll put another one here. Right, and then they have just little tails, like so. And then a line sort of joining them around like so. Eyelid line above, like so. And then the eyebrow just above the eyelid line. Put it here. And you can just thicken up the front of the eyebrow a little bit. We go over about eye width, right? So measure his eye. That fits in between both eyes. So that's where the next eye will start. So the width of his eye fits in here. Next eye, same thing again. Up and over. And then we go hook down. And we bring it back across towards the tear duct. Right, and then we thicken it up and add some eyelash lines. So we just make it darker. And there is some eyelashes just like sticking off here. Iris, again, a big sort of half circle. Just there, and then the pupil in the middle. Coming down underneath his top eyelid. Sharingan again, so we go same sort of thing, dot, dot, and then a little tail, tail, and then a line that sort of joins them coming around the center. Eyelid line, eyebrow, and just thicken up the eyebrow at the front. Now, a lot of this is covered by his hair, so don't worry. Like this side, his hair hangs down. So nose, we've got a nose line just coming down, kind of left of center, coming down like that. And we have those lines on the inside of his nose here that come down his face as well. Nostrils then, just here. And his mouth, very serious, sort of downturned mouth. Flat across and just turns down there. And then his bottom lip line just coming across here. Chin then, flat sort of square chin, like so. Distances of things, so like top eyelid to the nostril about the same as nostril to chin. So like here to here, like his pupil even, or the top of his top eyelid line here to here is about the same as here to here. And then nostril to bottom lip, about the same as bottom lip to chin. Right here and here, about the same. Right, so that's our proportion. Once you get that, you can go for his jaw. Okay, so it stops about here because there's loads of hair that comes down over his face, right? So we'll go back up, we'll just do his headband. And for his headband, it's not like a ninja headband, it's like bandage. So it's different to what we're used to. Like the top of it is up here somewhere. And then we got some hair spikes that stick out from the middle, right? So this comes up, down across his eye, somewhere there. Like so. And then something else on the other side. And it's up to you how long you want them to be or how thin or where they cover. And then we have more that comes down side of his face here. Another one on this side, a longer one. So this one comes all the way down like that. And then this one goes down to there, back in. And so it kind of frames in his face like that. And then we've got some more sort of bandage lines that just comes across his head here. And you could do normal Itachi or you could do reincarnated. I'm going to do the cracks. So if you wanted to leave it without the cracks and color his eyes white, you can. But I'll just like color in some of these crack lines because I think it looks a bit more like intimidating, I guess. Okay, and then the rest of his hair. So it's just got those long Uchiha sort of hair spikes, and then it goes around the top of his head. So just so kind of just hang down here. And then this goes around to the top of his head. The top of his head is about there, right? And how I'm getting that, right, is about here to here, right? So chin to eyebrow is about the same as eyebrow to the top of the head. So like this space and this space is about the same, okay? So normally the eyes are halfway between the top of the skull and the chin, right? So this and this are about the same. You just add on a little bit more. So it's about eyebrow level. So here and here, about the same as here and here. So that'll give you like the top of his head. And then you can like draw the rest of your hairlines just coming up the side. And it just goes around, sort of curved. Right. Like so. Right, so we go down now and do his body. So we got some necklines. So neck going down here. If you go over anything, you can just erase. Or you can jump. So like if you were drawing his neck here, you could like jump over certain parts. Or you could draw right through and just erase that line. So it's up to you. Many options. Neck muscles here, here. And then we can see some long hair, maybe some long hair just hanging down. You know the way he has like a ponytail at the back that you can't see. Okay, so he's wearing sort of civilian clothing. So we've got like t-shirt lines. So cross around the back here. And it's like a double. So we've got another one. And this comes underneath. And then this has another edge line to it. Right. Then shoulders will come off this way, right? So shoulders, you're about face width. So like the width of his face, right, will roughly bring you out to the edge of his shoulder, right? So like here. And he's got a real baggy t-shirt on, right? So width of his face, not the hair now, just like the face where it would be inside. That'll bring you out roughly to shoulders. A male shoulders are like three heads across, right, like that. And he's got this medallion on and a blade, right? So hanging down here, what do we do first? We got these straps. We'll do this little skull medallion, right? So just here, sort of in the middle of his chest, top of it like so. And he's got these devil horns. You could draw the Supreme logo because I've seen like lots of different ones. There's a Supreme one as well, but that's not this one. So, but if you wanted to do it differently, you could, of course. Two lines there, and then this side comes down this way. Bottom of the face. And then there's nose line. So like a frown inside here. Eyes. It's like one of those typical Japanese things. So it's got like a white dot left, sort of in the middle there. And then big sort of mouth. Cheekbones. Lips. And then like teeth or something. Okay, so it's like something like that. And then this goes around his neck. So we'll go like a chain. So we'll do a double line. Okay, so he's also wearing like a thing at the front, like a big sort of bag sort of thing just at the front here, right? So he's got straps that sort of hold onto it. I've sort of raised it up so we can see it. We'll go just coming across from behind this guy. We've got like this pouch, right? And this kind of hangs down at the middle. And then we have the Uchiha symbol. just here. Okay, so then we've got like a top section and straps, right? So it like comes across here. So we go across like this, right? It just comes in behind this. And this will go down this way. And then we got these straps here, right? So we got like, goes around his shoulder. Like so. Then we have extra stuff. So more straps coming down here and then going this way. And there's like another strap here. Something else coming out that way. Then out the side here. Do that again. That, and then we got like extra lines coming across here. And then this has an edge line. Edge line there. And maybe some like texture on it, kind of to make it look just a bit rough and stuff. And then like his t-shirt has like crease lines, baggy sort of lines. Like so. And then just his sword sort of back here, right? So it goes diagonal just this way. You could use a ruler for this if you wanted. But it is kind of bumpy anyway, so. And then we got like the top of it. Goes up. Goes to the top, like for the top of the handle. And then the bottom, so we got like bandage sort of wrapped around it here. And then we've got those diamonds that samurai swords normally have. And this one has like extra lines that go like down. Like so. But that's it. That's how to draw Itachi drip. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.